Hey guys, this is our Design Expo project for Engineering 122 at Louisiana Tech, Spring 2025. Our project is basically a self-cooking grill that sends notifications to the user that is connected to the grill. The problem that we are trying to solve is food getting overcooked, but also helping beginners learn how to grill and cook food. So as college students, time is money, and an easy way to make food without getting distracted is using this device that we call Blu-BBQ, where you put your food on the grill and you press a button and it just does everything for you, and it'll send you notifications on the progress of it. So for example, when you click this white button here, it turns on the grill. As you see, the red light is on, which means it's preheating, and then the green LED also means that it is preheating, and a notification would be sent to your phone at that time saying it is preheating. Some of the sensors that we used that really helped our project were, of course, the LED and the two buttons, but this Bluetooth module, the HC05, really made our project work, as it sends live notifications as soon as it happens. A few other ones are the relay, and then this IoT relay to make sure we have enough power for the Arduino. Also our transistor, and then we have two flyback diodes in the back that we wouldn't be able to do the project without them. Some of the disciplines that our project required were electrical and cyber. For electrical, all of the circuitry, the wiring, and just making sure everything works. For cyber, it was the coding. We had to use multiple resources, YouTube videos, to really figure out how to code this project together. And as you see, if I were to click this button again, it turns off the grill, and the notification would be sent to our phone saying cooking or grill turned off. The yellow button is for when the entire burger is grilled. You click this button again and it would restart the entire process, skipping the preheat phase. The LED will show complete green and stop blinking when the grilling is complete. And yeah, that's it. Thank y'all.